Welcome to Do-It-Yourself Skincare for dry and mature skin. My name is Elizabeth Heck. I'm an herbalist and I have my own line of all-natural skincare. You can create amazing skincare yourself at home that is far superior to anything you can purchase at the store. In this course, we'll be using healing, beneficial botanicals and nourishing ingredients, leaving out the preservatives, harsh chemicals, and additives found in most commercial products. Your skincare will be safe and it will be healthy. Most importantly, it will be highly effective with lasting results. We'll be discussing what you need to include to address fine lines, wrinkles, sun damage, dry skin, and aging. The skills you'll learn will allow you to create a complete regimen for ultimate beauty and radiant health. We'll also go over the other ways besides topical application that you can get the best possible skin. Creating your own skincare is easier than you think. Anyone can do it, and it's fun and it's creative, and the cost savings are substantial. So join me in this empowering course where we learn how to care for our beauty and our health.